Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, thumbnail, and by these nails I have here, today I'll be doing another Temu nail video, and this time I have some V French tip nails, and I got these in one of my hauls or two of my hauls, or I might have had one before I recorded, I don't know, but I got these in some hauls and I have three different shades. So I have like this nice nudie pink one, I have like this, it looks purple in the container, but it's actually not purple. I don't know, like they look a little grayish in my opinion on camera, but they're actually like a little nudie brown. And then the other ones I have are like they're like a real pinky mauvey, a little reddish looking on camera, but they're like a pink mauve, but they're not very nude based at all. But yeah, I have these three sets of nails, but for today's video I'm going to be using like that brownie nude one that I showed you. And yeah, I'm really just going to get started with sizing out all of my nails. But initially, when you take out these out when you take these out the pack, there's a good amount in here. I think there's like 10. I'm gonna count while I do this. Let me see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think it's 10. But it's about 10 sets all together out of these nails, and these are like really good quality. Like all my other Temu nails, I usually say like the French tips looks like they're like printed on, but these actually don't give that look in my opinion. These, and they already come like pre-glossy and everything too, so they give like, I can use these as press-ons or gel, but I'm gonna be doing gel for this video. But yeah, so far so good, and they're like very like flexible at the base, but you know, when you start bending it you can see like the white line, but they're very like easy to like get rid of that, so I like that. And also the tips of these are like real sturdy and strong, so that's pretty good. And I think these are like maybe $4 on their website. If I can find them, I'll link them, but I know that sometimes when you guys ask me for the links for these nails, they get discontinued like right after I order them. So I'm going to try to see if I can find them, and it'll be linked down below. If not, then the link won't be there. But yeah, just to let you know. But yeah, these seem like really good quality so far. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started with sizing out all my nails. So next I'm going to take this nail dehydrator that I got from Temu as well, and I'm going to use this just to like edge up the inside of all the nails. If you watched my last video, I told you guys I like using this instead of the nail drill. It's just faster and simpler and more clean for me. So yeah, I'm going to do this, and they did get like that little sticky layer in the inside after doing this. But you know, you can do it, you don't have to, but I like doing it, so that's what I'm doing for all the nails if they stayed in my hand. And yeah, after this, I'm also going to take a nail glue that I also got from Temu, I believe. Don't quote me. Go back to one of my hauls, if anything, okay? But it's either Temu or Shein. Like I always say, I don't know which one it is, but it's one of those two. But I'm going to take the nail glue that I got from there, and I'm going to use that to adhere these nails on. So as I was applying these nails on, they're like very sheer. If you like that look, you know, they're like, I can really see the gel through the nail as I was putting them on basically. And I really like that. They're not like too sheer where it's like you can really see my nail, but it's like they're sheer enough where I can see my nail, if you get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I really like that. And the nude is like very pretty on my skin, if I do say so myself, because they look very flush, and I like that. So I think these will go good with any skin tone, honestly, but it's honestly so far so good, like I said. And if this wasn't a video, I would have left them just straight French tip, but because it's a video, I had to do a little bit of something. But because I have like 9 other sets I can use, I will be doing these another time just straight French, because they look so pretty just by themselves. So So these are what the nails look like after I applied them all on. And like I said, you can see through them, but it's not too crazy. Like I said, in my opinion. But now I'm going to get into actually just cleaning up the nails, taking off the excess glue, the little tips at the end of the nails. And I'm going to use a hand file to do this just because I didn't feel like using my hand drill or my nail drill. So yeah, I'm going to use this to get rid of all that excess glue on the edges and then buff it out and then get started with my design. So after my nails are filed and buffed up and whatnot, I did do peel off base, so if some of them look like they're coming off, that's because they literally are, but we're going to ignore that. But I'm going to get into my design, and I have this 3D foil gel that I got from Poochie's Nails and this like holographic gold foil, and I didn't want to just use like regular like gold polish or anything, so I wanted to use this, and I just got it, so I want to try it out. But I'm just going to take a liner brush and make little lines, basically. I don't know, I made like straight lines, swiggle lines, what is it, horizontal, vertical, diagonal, I don't know which one it is, but I made side lines, I don't know, but I just made this like a little thicker because it is supposed to be 3D, so it was already popping up a little bit, but using this I did have to like really like guide the glue where I needed it to be so it wasn't like lumpy. And it did stay, like I did every nail before I cured it, so that made it a lot faster, and they did stay in place, so that was pretty decent. Yeah, and I'm gonna do all this on all my nails and then cure for 30 seconds and then come right back. So after the nails are cured, they do have like a little yellow tint to them. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but it is. And now I'm just going to start rubbing in the foil. And once I take it off, you see that it's literally like a little holographic gold. And I took a little, not a Q-tip, I guess you could say like a Q-tip, like a little cleanup Q-tip with some alcohol on it to just clean up some of the foil that like got where I didn't want it to get. And yeah, after that, I took some top coat and top coated all the nails. And the top coat I use is also from Temu, from the same brand of the dehydrator. And I did that on all the nails after I put the foil on them. So these are what the nails are looking like after I put the top coat on and cure for 60 seconds. I really do like them, if I do say so myself, especially just the nails in general. Like even without the gold on them, I really like how these nails feel. They're like really sturdy. They're not too long, not too short. They're like a good medium, I would say. Maybe long, I'm not really sure. but they're like a good length. I like them. The shape is really nice. They're like a nice coffin. I would say that some of them are a little narrow, but that just could be because I use smaller sizes, obviously, but I don't know. But the tips are really strong. Like I said, the cuticle parts are like really flesh to my nail. They look natural, like I just painted this on myself. Yeah, and I was pushing these tips like with all my might, just like squishing them as hard as I could to see if they would bend, and they really wouldn't. But I also didn't want to bend too hard because I had pull-off base on. But yeah, overall, like I said, I like these nails. I would get them again. I'll link them if I can find them, if they're not discontinued. But yeah, that's really all I got for today's video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And let me know any other videos you want to see me do, or if I have any other Temu nails or accessories that you guys want to see me do a nail set with, and I would gladly do that. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!